Chapter 10, Lesson 5 is about real estate taxes. We're going to be using the assessed value, market value, and rate of assessment, as well as a tax rate. So our assessed value equals your market value times your rate of assessment, which will be given as a percent. Then real estate tax equals your tax rate, which will be given in mills, and we'll divide that by 1,000 times your assessed value. Example 1. The Madison County Tax Assessor determined that the market value of Cortland Farm is $340,000. The rate of assessment in the county is 50% of the market value, and the tax rate is 50.73 mils. Calculate the assessed value, tax rate as a decimal, and the real estate tax. So Part A, to find the assessed value, we're going to take the market value, which is the price of the house, $340,000, and multiply it by our assessment rate, 0.50. This will give us an assessed value of $170,000. Part B, to find the tax rate as a decimal, we're going to take our mills, this 50.73, and since 1 mil is equal to 1/1000th, we're going to divide by 1,000, which will give us a tax rate of 0.05073. Now we can find the real estate tax by taking our assessed value, 170,000, times our tax rate as a decimal, which is 0.05073. And this gives us annual real estate taxes of $8,624.10. Since this is our annual taxes, if we wanted to find the monthly tax payment, we would simply divide this number by 12. In example 2, Gilberto and Christina Espinoza pay $4,000 in annual property taxes. The rate of assessment for their tax district is 45%, and their tax rate is 51 mils. What is their property's market value? In this one, because we already know our tax rate and our rate of assessment, we already know our taxes, our rate of assessment, and the tax rate. We're looking for the market value, so this is a backwards equation. Since we don't know what the market value is, we're going to say let M equal market value. Okay. So we need to work backwards. The last step we did in the first example was find the real estate tax by taking the rate of by taking the assessed value times your tax rate. So our assessed value, we don't know yet. However, to find the assessed value, we took our market value times our rate of assessment. So in this case, our assessed value is going to be M, our market value, times our rate of assessment, 0.45. So we're going to leave this as 0.45 M for right now. Then we had to find After we had the assessed value, we then found our real estate taxes. So in this case, our real estate taxes equaled our assessed value times the tax rate. So our real estate taxes are $4,000. Our assessed value is 0.45 M. And our tax rate is 51 divided by 1,000. So when we simplify, we have 4,000 equals 0.45 M times 0.051 multiply gives us 4,000 equals 0.02295 M. Divide both sides by 0.02295. And we get that M, or the market value, is going to equal $174,291.94. So if we know our property taxes, rate of assessment, and the tax rate, we can find our market value.